Anthony? All right. So when people contact you, we market on our script that you can get access to homes that you cannot find on MLS. Matter of fact, let me just take you to MLS. How about that? Let me share my screen with you. Because I want some of you guys just to demystify some things, because half this stuff is in MLS. This is HUD Home Store. This is one of the things I gave you on the list. So let's just do this one real quick since I had it up. Georgia, this is the stuff you should have up in your meetings before the client shows up, before you show up to their house. We'll do Fulton County is one of the biggest counties in Georgia. We don't need Alpharetta. Okay. And remember, you want to be the person who has the homes. You don't. So the more. So there's no HUD. Oh, this is HUD. I'm running this FHA. Let's see. Let's sleep on that. And you don't want this to happen to you in your meeting, right? What's happening right now? You don't want this to happen. So that means you got to do your homework ahead of time. So obviously, there's not a lot of HUD. That's a required field. Acceptance property case. Okay, so let's just do Georgia. Let's see what's in Georgia. See how many HUD homes are there. All right, so here's some in Georgia. It's not that many. There are, it doesn't tell you how many. Yeah, 6, only 6, right? So here are 6 homes in Georgia: Griffin, Thompson, Monroe, Claxton. I don't know what somebody played, Decatur, whatever. These are HUD homes. So let's just go to FMLS real quick, because I just want to show you in your own MLS, you already have this stuff. A lot, I mean, some of it. This is how you can guarantee yourself a 6-figure income in real estate. Guaranteed. Got it on my FMLS password. I ain't been in here in a while. Hey, everybody okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yes.
I know it's a lot. I'm trying to help. I want you to end this year with a bang. All right, I'm just in FMLS. We're in Georgia, for those that are in Georgia, and you guys have MLS in your state and city where you're from as well. This is another video that you loan officers could be saying, AT, let me get that video you shot this morning so I can send out to some realtors. Boom, this is another one. We're gonna cut this up and make it short videos, right? Because now my marketing department is doing reels, because all you guys watch reels right on Facebook now, right? So he contacted me last week. He says, AT, we got to make some reels. I need 10 more hours of work a week to be able to create reels for you. I said, I want the reels, but I'm not giving you 10 more hours. Fit it in your hours that I gave you. Add more value. The reels generate us business. It's just, I'll give you a bonus, but I'm not giving you more hours. For what? You already know how to do it. It's your skill set. All right, guys, that was another tip. I hope you guys are doing reels or thinking about doing reels. If you don't know how to do them, go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. Have somebody create them for you. $5.